Here's a video about how I put speakers in my sandbar. Alright, here's where I trimmed it. I left the other side and trimmed this side just to show you the difference. Cut off the plate and that little angled tab thing right there in the top. Same thing. I started to trim it to show you just how little there is. The reason I did this is because I saw in a couple of the groups people like the way these sounded versus the MB Quartz. And everyone's crying on there, oh, if you put these in, you'll have to cut your dash, you'll have to ruin your dash, you'll have to do this, you'll have to do that. Like, holy cow, no you don't. It's 2 minutes with 10 snips. You could use a cutoff wheel, but it'll probably make a mess. 10 snips, it's like scissors, you know? Alright, there it is. I'll put the other screws in, but I just wanted you to see the holes line up pretty darn close. You could always elongate them with the Dremel if you wanted, but I didn't. They go in pretty good. Your grill fits on good. It lightly rests on that center spider. If it vibrates, I'll check the other one, it really didn't seem to, but if it does later on, you can always just snip each corner to pop that spider off, and I don't think that the grill will touch the tweeter.